Descending pentatonic OO. Let's do that pentatonic scale. Again, it's that 5-note scale instead of a 7-note scale. Our typical scale, of course, is that typical major scale or diatonic scale. The pentatonic scale is only 5 of those notes. So we skip the 4th and the 7th degree of the scale. Now, this is a descending pentatonic, so it's going to go like this. We're going to start slowly, and little by little, we're going to pick up the tempo. So we're doing it on an OO, which goes OO. Got it? All right, here we go. OO. Let's pick it up. You can drop your jaw on the top. Woo! 2 more. Three-tone pentatonic OO. We're going to go through that same pentatonic scale now, but we're going to do it in clusters of 3 in a bit of a triplet kind of a feel. So here's the scale again. And now we're going to outline that scale like this in 3s. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and down. Okay? So the last one is 4. So we go again. Ooh, and it's on an OO. Ooh, surprise, right? Here we go. Ooh, keep it up. Ooh. A little bit faster. Drop your jaw on top. Couple more. Nice. Descending pentatonic HEY. Let's do that same descending pentatonic scale, this one. Now we're going to open that OO up to a HEY, so a little bit more open vowel. You can do this a bit bratty at first, like the nay, 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 if you need to connect the top and the bottom. But little by little, see if you can do this in more of a spoken kind of a natural, finished quality. So that goes hey, brattier would be hey, and more natural, more finished. Hey, here we go. Hey. 4-tone pentatonic HEY. So, like the 3-note HEY, which went in notes or clusters of 3, now we're going to do a similar thing over the pentatonic scale, but in clusters of 4, which go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And on a HEY, so hey. Ready? Here we go. Hey. Just a moderate tempo right now. We'll pick up the tempo in a bit. Speed it up. Hey, and last one. Four-tone pentatonic WHOA. Let's do that same 4-tone pattern over a pentatonic scale, descending across it, cascading through it. But instead of a HEY, we're going to do WHOA now. So keep your lips round, drop your jaw as you go higher. You can start with a bit of a cry, but little by little try and get to more of a finished, polished sound. So it goes like this. Whoa. Ready? Here we go. Good stuff. Second passage on the top. Drop your jaw a bit. That's it. Let's start to pick it up. Two more. And last one. Whew. So, did you enjoy this vocal workout? If so, I think you would love my program, Singing Ignition, where I listen to your voice and then choose exercises and techniques tailored for you. Practice along with my regular personalized workouts, learn more about your voice, and participate in our monthly live trainings, all from the comfort of your home. Start your 14-day trial today at singingignition.com.